My name is Don Jensen Jr. From Lawnhurst Farms, located in Stanley, New York. We're a fourth generation dairy farm that started back in 1925. We milk about 1,900 cows and raise all the dairy replacements for our farm. It'll be 10 years next year. The Triolet mixer, this is our second one. Very, very happy with the dependability of the truck, the serviceability of the truck, and just the overall reliability of Triolet. Finger Lakes Dairy's been a great partner. Same as Mark Hortz, who mounted the truck. Very, very seamless, open communication through the entire process. That's where everything starts, and we couldn't be happier. Overall maintenance is very low. Things need to be maintained and replaced. It's very, very easy and very straightforward to replace mixers, weld new wear parts in the mixer itself. As far as competition, price is always a big factor, but just the serviceability and the reliability that we've experienced with our Triolet mixer is, I don't know how we could ever go with a different mixer. So for Lawnhurst Farms, Triolet's dependability, serviceability, support behind the mixer makes it an easy choice for us today and in the future.